What's up guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to head over to a friend's, pick up their car, and then head out to the junkyard to pick up a shifter. The shifter in her car is failing. It won't let the key out anymore, and it also won't shift from drive to park anymore. So we got to go pick up a shifter and install it. In the video I'm going to show you how to do a shifter, but I'm also going to go out to the junkyard and pick it up. So join me on this little fun adventure. These two bolts out here. For some reason they were 12 millimeters. I've never seen 12 millimeters on a Volkswagen. These two bolts are out. And then we have to pop this bolt out to 10 millimeter. And then down up under there, there's a little bracket. You just have to pop it out of the bracket. There's no bolts or anything. So the cable's free. Now we need to go underneath and pull it out. So now that we're under the car, I'm going to need 13 mils to pull this bracket off right here. Then I have to pop all these little clips out. And then I'll be able to pull the heat shield down enough. This heat shield will come down and I can get the shifter out from underneath. Go. There's obviously pennies or something inside of this. I'll get that out, but shifter's out. So when you're pulling the shifter out of the car, there's two nuts here, and then there's two nuts here that are on this bracket. So you undo the two nuts that hold this bracket down, and then you'll have two more nuts you gotta pull out, and then the shifter will drop out the bottom. Alright, so we got the shifter out. It's got a penny or something in it. Oh, there it goes. It was a screw. Just so you know, if you can't get your car into drive or neutral and it's stuck in park, or you're trying to get it into park, you just push this yellow tab in, and then you lift up or push the button on the shifter, which would actuate this piece up here, and then you can move it into the gears. Whatever gear you would need. Go over a slab and test out the slab. Everything seems to work. Everything seems to be in better shape than the other one. So we're going to use this one on the new car. Yeah. I would just swap the assembly here and keep the cable and everything the same, but you have to like take it apart from the bottom anyways. So you have to undo these studs and pull the bottom cap off in order to disassemble the whole shifter anyway, so it won't mess with that. But yeah, OEM shifter done. I think it's like 22 bucks, so we'll go pay for it and we'll put it in the other car. Alright, so I got the two shifters here. We got the old one out of the car. This is the new one from, well, not new, but this is the used one from the junkyard. And this over here is the one out of the car, which is on jack stands right now. But so I'm not exactly sure what failed, but you can see it doesn't just kind of, I can't get it to just go back into neutral and reverse. When this one does just kind of, you could slap it down and slap it up and then it goes back in fine. This one on the other hand, so I pull everything up to get it forward, but it will not go back into park. Something's wrong. Nothing, like there you could see something down in there broken. There's like a little screw down in there. I don't know what that is, but it moves around. This one doesn't have that. I don't know. So that part come out of something and it's just broken. So we're gonna put the new shift box in it, put it all together, and hopefully everything functions fine. Alright, so we got the car all put back together. It needs a new shift boot. The shift boot's all torn up and stuff. But we'll find one of those at a junkyard. I didn't find any good ones today, unfortunately. But now everything works. It shifts into all the gears fine, or all the selections fine. The slap and everything works. And then the key we can pull out of the ignition again. Everything shifts into gear perfectly fine, so cool. Never shut it off. Key comes out, perfect. The problem this car was having was you couldn't get it to go in the park without like really messing with the shifter. And then once you did get it in the park, the key would not come out of the ignition. So we replaced the shifter and now the key comes out of the ignition fine. And we can ship this car off to its owner. Thanks for watching the video. If you stuck around for the video, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button too. But until we get to the next one, I appreciate you watching.